going on, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel again. As always, if you have not already, go like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Sorry for the hiatus. I know we haven't been around. We've been slacking on our videos, but we do have some content, so we are back. You guys will see some more content, and it will be consistent. Today's video, we are actually getting a little Hoopty Accord up and running. A buddy of mine reached out to me, asked me if we could help him do a rack and pinion, cloud cover gasket, a couple other little things. So we are going to take care of those. First thing we're going to do today is, as you can see, the car is already up in the air on jack stands. I'm going to go ahead and rip out this rack and pinion. I do have my beautiful significant other filming me behind me. Kirk is not here today. He might show up though. I did not tell him that I was working on the car, nor did I tell him I was filming today. So, yeah, maybe, we'll see. But yeah, let's get to working and I'll see you guys.
Babe, it says device positioning error. Turn off device and reposition as indicated.
Hold on. Can you understand what I'm telling you to do?
It wants me to turn this button over here.
Okay, so do whatever it's telling you to do.
Okay.
What's going on, everybody? Alright, so we're going to continue the same video from working on the Accord. I'm not exactly sure what my significant other got filmed, but I will check it out. A little quick update, we did get the rack and pinion in. That is all bolted up. The car is back on the ground. You guys will see that in one split second. Today we're going to go ahead and do the AC compressor, and he broke a couple of the valve cover bolts, so we're going to go ahead and do a hopefully remove the broken bolts out of the inside, but we will see just in a minute. Yeah, see you guys in a second. So yeah, we're back here at the car now. We're gonna go ahead and open the hood. Looks like it's already open. Where's the latch? Come on, Brandon. There it is. So as you can see, that one right there and that one right there are broken. The little studs that hold the valve cover down. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. We're also going to go ahead and access the alternator and AC belt, remove that, and remove the AC compressor. See you guys in a second. You know you're in South Florida when you're busting out a big ass fan. Let's hope this doesn't shock the shit out of me. Plugged in. Does it work? Hey, it works. Look at that. Now we just gotta face it the right way. So a quick update on the bucket. Some of you follow me on Instagram and you did see that I got hit in the front here. I did get the bumper back on. It is lined up. Damage is still there though. That fog light is broken, so it's not in. The bumper is scratched up on this side right here. The splitter is messed up on the bottom of it over here. And I don't have a bumper clip on this side. And now that he hit me, this headlight right here is starting to fog up, so I'm pretty sure it's cracked somewhere. But the inside is still clean. Oh, it's locked? No, it's not locked. Inside's still clean. I'm actually thinking about posting the car for sale. If anybody's interested. And yes, the driver front seat is clean too. There might be a couple little crumbs on it from driving in the car and stuff, but yeah, it's clean. So y'all don't think I'm scaring you away from all the seats. They're clean. They're all clean. But yeah, let's go ahead and get back to. So some of you are probably like, what are you talking about the studs being broken? This is what I mean. It's notorious on older Hondas for the valve cover bolts to break off inside the head. And it happened in 2 spots. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is get an easy out kit, and we're going to drill and reverse thread these out, and hopefully everything is good after that. There's the valve cover. I'm gonna go ahead and do an oil change. Got my bang as always. So he also got an AC compressor, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get the vehicle running. And once it's running, we're gonna go ahead and test and make sure the AC compressor is getting power and all that stuff. And if it is, then we'll go ahead and replace the AC compressor. But until we know for sure that it has proper power and ground, that old thing is gonna stay in there. When the battery's dead, so you have to reach around and unlock all the doors to get to the parts. There's the AC compressor that I was talking about. What's that?
The end of the rack.
Huh?
It's the end of the rack.
Oh, the outer tie rods. Oh yeah, we definitely have to put the car back up in the air to do the outer tie rods, and then he will need to take the car for a alignment. Alright, so I didn't put the phone on the gimbal because we're gonna run to the store really quick, but we did successfully get 1 broken stud removed. Threads are still clean. So now we're gonna go ahead and get this one. In the process of removing this one, the drill bit actually broke. So now we have to go get another one to remove this one over here. So yeah, see you guys in a minute. All right, off to the store we go. And it's the same. All right, so we just got here over here at O'Reilly's. I believe this place used to be called Napa. Get my bang in really quick. I believe this place used to be called Napa, but I'm not 100% sure. We're gonna find out, and we're gonna find out if they yell at me for while we walk in here. So, oh, look at that. I just so happened to walk down the right aisle, if I'm not mistaken. How about them apples? Hopefully they don't give us a problem to return it, but we'll see. The funny thing is, I said it was gonna break before it even broke. You can ask them. So, you know, a normal person would sell these drill bits separately from the kit because we know they're gonna break. The reverse out bit might not break, but the drill bit obviously is gonna break.
How big you have a reverse one? Just gonna get a new one.
Look at that, and it broke, and O'Reilly's went ahead and exchanged it. No questions asked. They went ahead and said, grab a new one. If y'all need anything, go ahead, shout them out, stop by here. Margate, Florida, 441, right across the street from Northwest Medical Center. So yeah, stop by. They're very helpful, very friendly, very nice. We got a whole variety of stuff here, so just let us know. Let them know. Swing by here. Back to the bucket we go. My bucket.